These logs came from a cabin that was built in the mid to late 1800s. I was given them and asked to come up with a gift to give to someone who grew up in that cabin. This was to be for her 90th birthday. They told me they call her the Queen Mother, and her favorite animal is the butterfly.
Wow, that's a dull saw. Ha ha!
Excuse the interruption, but there's an incoming call for you, sir. It appears to be your wife. Would you like me to answer it, or shall I ignore the call?
Set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
You got new fingernails. Oh, that's hot. You gotta do what you gotta do. That's too fast. Handle that? Yeah? Makes it fall off though. Alright, back to slow. So smooth. rough. Look at that hole. So I have no idea what I'm doing. It's sharper. Wow, that is a big difference. Oh my gosh. That really makes a huge difference. I am covered. I'm not having to push as hard as I was before.
Never in a million years did I think I would ever get to do this, but I want to take a moment to thank my patrons on Patreon. But first, what is Patreon? Patreon is a simple website where people like you can show a little support to video creators like me. I like the analogy of the street performer. You walk by, you hear a song you like, so you throw a few bucks in so that they know that people out there are enjoying it and they should continue doing what they're doing. If that's something you might want to join in on, I'll leave a link to my Patreon in the description below. But now I want to thank my top supporter, Mr. Kyle Hixson. Thank you for your support and congratulations on that new baby boy of yours.
My source was actually a king. So luckily the king and the queen body shape is pretty much the same. The head is just what's different. So I traced out a new design here for the top. I need to just go in there and adjust the shape of the head. Ooh, he's starting to bench. Back this up. Just traced it off, huh? Yeah, there we go. Oh, God. Oh, finally. Okay. There's got to be a better way to do that. Someone tell me, what's the real trick for that? That was cute. So close. Oh, shoot. No! Holy crap, I missed. Oh. Didn't mean to cuss. I'm sorry, everyone. Here. Aha! Gotcha. That is pretty cool. I've heard that you can find the center of a circle by using a compass. So I'm going to draw a line and move to a different point. Draw a line, move to a different point. There is my center. Got it. Ooh, that's a small hole.
If you've made it to this point in the video, I just want to thank you for supporting what I'm doing here. Currently, while I'm editing this video, I'm only 138 subscribers short of YouTube taking me a little bit more seriously. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, liking, or even sharing this video with someone that you know. Again, thank you so much for all your support.
And happy birthday to you, Big Granny. What do you think, Winston? You like it? Do you like it, Winston? Ready? 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 Go get it!
That's from one of the logs in the house.
Yep.
One of our friends, Chad. It's the queen chess piece because you're the queen mother.
It's what it came from. That's what is so beautiful to me. Oh, what a birthday. Have another one.
What happened? What happened in here? Oh my gosh. Why? Why? Why?